Some spinach dip, y'all. First things first, I cut up half an onion, almost the whole thing, but it wasn't a really big onion. And I'm about to just soften up my onions. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add some spinach. I'm gonna add some more because it always shrinks crazily. I just mixed that up. I seasoned this with some complete Cajun and garlic powder. And I'm gonna add one more handful of spinach. I like mine to be very spinachy. This is when I start adding my cheese in. When it has like a little moisture at the bottom after the spinach starts to sweat. I find that's easier because you're not just putting your cheese into a very dry pot. Like that wouldn't be good, right? So let me add my cheeses. Adding in some cheddar cheese. And then a block of cream cheese. We're going to do 2 of these blocks. If it come out. Then I'm just going to cover this for about 20-ish minutes. We'll be right back. And honey, this is done.